Hey guys, so good morning at Seal Rocks. I bumped into a bloke that you've met before.
Good morning.
So yeah, just staying here at the moment with Dave, which is pretty cool.
All I can say is my swag's bigger than your swag.
All I can say is, when I say staying with Dave, here's my accommodation. This is Dave's accommodation. That's all you hear all night. Oh, is your bed as comfortable as my bed? Oh, is your stairs as good as my stairs?
Is your diesel heater as good as my diesel
Oh,
heater?
diesel heater. Unreal. No, but seriously, the tent's going really well. Denali Kakadu 2, not sponsored by anybody, but highly recommend this tent. Great. 4 Hike is the air mattress. You just buy them online. Brilliant. And just got some sleeping bag, which I think came from... not Anaconda, what's the other one called? Kathmandu, yeah. Look at that. No wonder I'm not sponsored. I don't even know what I'm using. So Dave, what's the best thing about getting away and camping, you reckon?
Just being out in nature, I reckon. There's something about being outdoors that's refreshing.
I mean, you say that, but you are in a caravan, I might just point out. So I don't know what this outdoors business is.
I like to sleep comfortably.
Okay.
But when I'm awake, it's nice to be around the outdoors.
Gotcha. I understand what you're saying. I mean, I'm not complaining because every battery known to man I've got plugged in charging all night, so... Yeah, but think about it. I didn't pay for the site, I didn't buy food, and I haven't bought beer. I mean, I think what you're talking about here is there's a consistency, and that's why you like me so much. I'm a consistent friend. So here we are, bike's parked up for the morning, out here with Dave. What are we doing? Searching for the lighthouse.
Yes, trying to find this lighthouse that's quite elusive at the moment.
And when he says elusive, he means like the coffee shop that we went to that said was open, but they're not. Single fin coffee shop, looks amazing, very arty, looks fantastic, closed. Says open on Siri, says open on Google, but it's not, it's closed.
And we have not had coffee.
And we have not had coffee, and we are not happy. As the Queen used to say, we are not amused. Anyway, so we're hooking down this dirt track just trying to find the lighthouse. I mean, aren't lighthouses usually on a hill on the coast, Dave? We seem to be just driving through the bush.
Yeah, that's probably a good point. But I feel like we're heading towards the Tasman Sea by the map, so we're definitely heading towards the water. Just not sure if that's going to be where the lighthouse is.
Yeah, gotcha. Well, I'll get back to you shortly if we actually find the lighthouse. Dave, what are you doing?
I'm taking offence to this being closed. All right, I won't.
Well, here we are, Seal Rocks, all packed up, ready to go. So, a little bit overcast this morning, but should be a pretty dry ride home. It's only a couple of hours home. Going to stop off at Bulladella for breakfast with Dave Meister. And, yeah, I might go down and see if there's any sunrise to be had with the drone. I don't think so, because it is actually sprinkling as I speak, which is not a good sign. Just packed all my wet weather gear away. Alright, well, anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this adventure.
Shut up, Matthew.
That's my barista who's just poisoned us with off milk. So, anyway, see you on the road. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Add to the channel. Thanks heaps for your support, guys. Now, see you on the road.
going to wait till you
Dave's sneaking up on me. We just got to Bulla dealer, so we're going to get something to eat. We're going to go to a bakery somewhere. Which one are we going to? That one's closed, so it can't be that one. Yeah. Anyway, we're going to get some breakfast, and then we'll hit the road.